Welcome to the new class of the C# programming language. My name is Divya, and at this is presenting MESD Technology, who is giving the live courses on C#. So now the question, as I see in the last tutorial, we already learned about why we are going to learn the C#, especially where we have the option in C, C++, Java, and lots of stuffs. So in this case, we will see the C#. First of thing is C# is a object-oriented programming language, which means it has a capable of C++. It also has an equivalent of Java that I told you in the earlier lecture. Again, it is a part of the .NET framework. .NET framework is a huge library which can be used for development of any program that include mobile application, web application, game development, and lots more. So that's the reason behind it. We are used to learn the C#. Another important thing is that C# has an automatic garbage collection system, which makes developer life easy. That means it has a capacity to do the garbage collection automatically. Also the memory management. C# is almost equivalent to Java. So if you are a Java developer or if you are an Android developer, you can easily run Java. C# also used in a cross-platform basis. The cross-platform is like mobile, web application, and inside the mobile application, iOS, Android, Windows, BlackBerry, lots more. Now, if you imagine one thing, that you are writing a single code and that is capable to run in Android, that is capable to run in iPhone, that is capable to run in Windows Phone. How it looks? Is it look amazing to you? Then that is the correct choice of your class. This is C#. C# can do it. You are listening the right thing. C# can do this thing. You will write only one code which will run in a native basis on Android, on iPhone, on Windows Phone. Overall, it is developed by the Microsoft, so it has lots more features. What you can include in the C#, like C++, you can include Python in it, which means it is more capable in data science. You can integrate JavaScript in it. You can integrate HTML in it. You can integrate CSS in it. You can integrate Bootstrap in it. So again, C# is the back, or you can say the backbone of that one. So if you learn C#, you can work in various industry. Also, C# is capable with MySQL database and MS SQL database. So that's why C# is currently a widely used professional language. Now, today I am going through about the environment or the IDE which we are going to use throughout the courses. There is a lots of IDE available for the C#. If you are a Linux user, then I will recommend you to go to the Visual Studio Code, which is freely available. I will definitely give you the link. My students usually get the link during their first classes, and that we set up through their in their computer through our remote computing technology, and then student can write the code over there. But if you are a Windows user, even Visual Studio Code is also available for Mac and Windows, and Visual Studio Code give you the good environment of the programming, because it has a autocomplete feature, which I tell you further in the next classes how to do the autocomplete session. And then it is built in the Git integration, which is a very good information about how to do the version control in C#. I will show you the Git installation today, but I will describe the working principle definitely later on the courses. And there is lots of extension over there, like you can include PHP, that I told you already, that in all inside the you need to include one of one. So what is the Visual Studio Code? I can show you as easily. It's very easy. Just Google it on. Just go to Google and then write Visual. You can definitely search in from the search bar itself, but I would prefer to do it so if someone do not know about the computer, he can follow that one. Visual Studio Code. Studio Code. This is a, so you should go to the, do not try to download from any other sources, or I don't recommend that one. Just go to the official source, which is looks like that. It is free for you, so you can just click on the download for Windows, but it will be download definitely. But in this course I will preferably use the another IDE, which is also free for all, but it is only available in the Mac computer and the Windows definitely, which is Visual Studio Community Edition. So just, it is an free, you can see, so you can click on this one. Though I am using Visual Studio Enterprise Edition, but it is a payable. I have that license. Unfortunately, I have the license, but you don't need to purchase anything. It is a free by the same, almost same feature is always over there. So you just click on the visual download VS Community 2017. So unfortunately, it is not like a complete executable file. It is a small file will be downloaded, and then it will be downloaded online, automatically download as per your which component you are going to use. I just show you, but I don't install it because I already have installed the Visual Studio Enterprise Edition, so I don't want to install that one once again, but I will show you before the installation step. So just click on this one. I will recommend this one definitely, but because it has an more integration and you can follow our tutorial easily with this one. Instead of that, you have mono develop, you can use that one, but I don't recommend this one. This is also developed by Xamarin, though we have a beautiful course on the Xamarin, but that is also use the Visual Studio Community Edition or Visual Enterprise Edition if you have, but Community is absolutely fine. We have a course on Unity developer, game developing, that is also, we use the same one, so I will prefer to use this one. And also you have Rider. There is a few more jQuery code snippets, refactoring essentials, slick edit, or even you can use Notepad, but I don't recommend that one definitely. And C# node, lots more. Anyway, I don't care about that too much. Just go to the straightforward to the point, don't waste the time. So no need to look for all other IDs. I'm not going to pros or cons of each of them. I'm just telling you to install this one because it gives you the free and best feature at all. So let's see. So it is downloaded already. It's a very small file, I guess. Then just click on this one. It need to be yes. Okay, that's good. So you will get this type of message once, which is called a installer. Just click on continue. That will start fetching few things, but it's not the all thing. Is 63 MB, just a few installer file, which is very essential for the studio installation. I will just show you the which option you need to take, or which option you can take. You always welcome to take the whole kit of the Visual Studio, that I will recommend you, but that's not mandatory definitely, but I will prefer to do that one itself. So now it's going to something, yeah, it's installing, I guess. Yes, looks good. So that's the installer basically. That's not the installing or something. That's just the installer. It's a very 63 MB file only. So don't bother about this one. So just a simple thing. Now you will start the original thing. Let's see the skin which came to me. So this is the screen. There you can see, you can do lots of things basically. .NET desktop development, which is WPA from Windows From and console applications. And then you can do the universal Windows platform development, that is like Windows 10 application or Windows based application. Then you can do desktop development with C++, so you can use the C++ as well. It's a good news for you. Then you can do ASP.NET, which is a web application, Azure, which is a cloud-based application, Node.js, JavaScript application, Python development. You can debug the Python course over here. No need to install another IDE for that one, like Anaconda or something. We have a course on Python which is based on Anaconda, but you can use that one as well. Then you can develop the SQL server, as I already told you. You can hand off, and data science, I told you already that R, Python and FSub both are coming over here, so you can use that one. Then SharePoint development, who are the SharePoint developer? Our one course may be coming soon as a SharePoint developer for the SharePoint developer courses. If is, then definitely subscribe our channel and follow us on Facebook to get the more update. And obviously you are always welcome to contact us through email. And then mobile development, that I'm going to talking about, that the cross-platform mobile application, you can do it. So what you need to do, you just need to select minimum of this one and this one as well, and not required as much, and this one. This 3 is major requirement, but I will advise you to, if you can, install the whole system, but if you cannot, don't worry about it. Then you can do the language packs. Which language packs do you want? I always want in English, but if you are a native language speaker of any other, you can use that one. I don't mind about this individual component. Please remember, do not download, no need to download or install 3.5 framework, because we rarely work on that one, but other we work on installation location. Obviously you can select that one, but I am a little bit of configured, but I don't use this one anymore. So then you just need to install while downloading. That's it, nothing else. At this stage I'm getting this error because this is not empty, because I told you I already have the Visual Studio, so that's why this error is coming up. So don't worry about it. For you, it should come definitely. If come, please contact us, we will fix it definitely. Then you can go through. So that's it. I'm just closing this one at this stage. I'm just canceling this one, and I am opening my IDE, how it looks when you start it. I just close this one for you at this stage. I don't think it's required for you. I just close it for you. Okay, it's better. I'm just open it from here. You just can open Visual Studio. It will be looks like this. This is your page comes up. What is the main feature? I'm just going to describe a little bit, which is the recent part. Suppose you are doing one coding in one project and you close it up, don't worry, the Visual Studio will remain this one. So you can just click in and you can enter. You can always open the new project from here, but I don't recommend this one because you need to search a little bit, because there is only the application which you recently opened. So that's why, like, I opened recently Xamarin From, I work on this one, so this is like this only. But I will prefer what is the top. You can see file, you can go to the file. Even inside you can see Server Explorer, which server you have. You can click Azure, you can click desktop and anything, and there is like a object as well, server objects. So you can understand, like, it's a complete development software. So here what you need to do, you need to right click on file, click new, click project. No need to click, just go click on project basically. This point in the Visual Studio, remember what you opened in the last time, and last time I opened Xamarin for one of my project currently. But what you need to do for this course, you need to go to the Visual C#. This course is a quite combined course with the advanced C# and the C#. So you have a console application at this stage, but later on you will get the WPF and WCF as well. So what you need to do, just need to click on console app. You see it's already everything is defined for you, so just need to go through the OK, then it will be created. So now you can understand which idea we are going to use. So this part is only about this much, that which ID we are going to use today. And now in the next video onwards, we will go straight forward to the application. So to enjoy this video more, just catch us. If you are interested, if you looks like it's very interesting topic, or you want to learn with a hands-on, please join us in MEST Technology course. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.